Hello everyone, and thanks for watching. What I have today is a JMS brand dimple lock. I've already taken the circlip off of the back because I do not have a key, and when I do get this thing picked, I don't want to have to spend 10 minutes fighting with that circlip trying not to lock the lock back up. Now, I've not picked this one before, so I don't know what to expect, so we'll get to see this one for the first time together today. Alright. As I usually do with dimple locks, I like to use heavy tension until I find the binding pin. Then I ease up and set it. There we go. Alright, I didn't detect any security pins in this lock, so I won't be expecting to find any. Alright. Is that 2 shims? No, just 1 shim. Lost which way was up and down there. Alright. Pin 1, 2, all standard key pins. Let's see what they put in the top. Alright. Standard in 1. Standard in 2. I'm expecting to find all standards in here. Standard in 3. As I expected, all standard pins. I'm not even going to bother with springs. I'll show you what comes in a JMS lock. Nothing too exciting, but thanks for watching. Everyone, have a great day. I'll see you later.